Hi and welcome to my quick tutorial on this star. So I came up with this design years ago and I've been folding it and adapting it for ages, but I've never done a tutorial and I've had a lot of inquiries about it since I posted it on Instagram. So I'm just going to show you, it is quite a simple star and we're going to do this the speedy way. So what we want to do is creases in all directions. All right, so I've done them all as valleys onto the white. All right, then we want to fold all of these diagonals into the center line like that. And now that's all those creases done. And now we just need to collapse these down. Like that. And then for each of these points, you need to squash fold this. So like that. Line it up. Like that, and then we need to fold these corner ones in like that, and you can fold that back there. Alright, then what you want to do is do these ones as well. And squash fold like so. And then we need to just go around and do all those. One last thing, which we can just do now, I guess, is fold those ones in there. And that will be how your star is formed. All right, we go from there. All right, and there you have it. Now, that was not the most accurate way to fold it at all. That was just me doing it as quick as possible in as limited steps. So you get the idea of how you do it. As I said, I often just do the squash folds individually. It is good to do the corner ones by themselves as well, because then you can tuck that thing, that corner under easier. But that's the basic principle. Hope you enjoy. Let me know. So that's all those creases done. And now we need to... No, it's not.